Hey guys, this is my 2020 M109R, and I just finished putting in a Hyperflash LED relay, well, an LED flasher relay to prevent Hyperflash, and it worked great. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube on how to, or where it even was. All I found was some for the C50, but on the C50 is behind this little the engine guard on the bottom. So on the M109, I wanted to show y'all where it was. So, let's see. Alright, you want to take off your seat. Set that right there. Alright, let me grab a flashlight. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, so on the M109, your flasher relay is, you can see it to the left of the little junction box right there. Not right here and directly in the camera. You see the flasher relay right there next to it. So it's in front of the battery box. It's real easy to pull off. Basically take your seat off. Then you're going to want to pop this panel off right here. So you got this Allen bolt. I believe that is a, I'll tell you exactly what it is. Alright, it is a four millimeter. So it is a 4mm. After you take off this Allen bolt, which is a 4mm, you have a little push pin behind here. You got to pull it out. So grab behind there, and then grab on the other side right here to pull that one out. You have another one directly below right here, another little push pin. Use something to push this little piece down on the inside of this tab, and it will release itself, and then you can pull the whole thing up. You have another push pin tab behind here, so you want to gently pull it out, but don't yank it out, because there is a little guide / keeper right here that you know, you got to slide forward to get it off, and then the whole piece comes off, and then your flasher relay will be right behind that. So anyways, easy to get to. The relays are cheap. I got mine off of eBay. It's a 7-pin relay for Suzuki motorcycles. Let me put my seat back on, and I'll give you a little demonstration, if you will. So after you get your flasher relay in, for LEDs of course, they will blink normally. So I went LED in the front, and I went with the Pasma LED strip in the rear. Same with the right blinker. Figured this would help anyone that's looking to do or fix Hyperflash on their M109 that installs LED blinkers front and rear. Even the flashes work like normal. Boy, that's a cool little setup. Alright. Now I'm sure you want to hear that Combat 2-in-1. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll do some more follow-up videos on a couple of the other mods on the M109. If anybody wants to know anything about any of the mods that I do have done, you know, shoot me a comment. I'll make a video about it for you. For instance, the chin spoiler, how I did the LED strip blinkers in the front on the forks, force winder intakes, and the Combat 2-in-1 LED strip. I can give a review about the ultimate seat, just whatever. Alright guys, yeah, peace out.